So I hope now we have enough idea that how to implement decision-making statements, how to control the flow of the program, right? By using if else, and else statements, right? So now let's talk about loops. We have mainly two types of loops. Before talking about the types, let's discuss what is loop. So loop is used, as the name suggests, loop, which means repeating something, playing something in loop. If you go to YouTube, you right click on the video, there's an option to play the video in loop. So if you select that loop option, that video will be repeated multiple times, right? So if we want to repeat something in programming, let's say I have a print statement that prints out hello world. Now, what if I want to print out hello world 5 times? No, I can write print statement for 5 times. What if I'll have to write hello world for 500,000 times? It will be really a dumb job to do that, right? So what I will do is I will write one line of print hello world, and then I'll encapsulate it. I'll add it inside a loop. Now the same statement will be executed for as many times as the loop will continue. Now obviously we can control the loop if we want to repeat the same thing for 10 times, 20 times, or 500,000 times or more than, right? So in short, loop is used to repeat something, repeat a set of instructions, right? So let's say we have a body of instructions, we have a body of code, and we will write a loop on top of it. So this body of code will be executed multiple times. How many times? We can control it, we can define it, and we will do that in upcoming videos. There are two types of loops, while loop and for loop. We will learn about while loop in depth right now in upcoming videos, and we will have introduction to for loop for now. Why? Because for loop is mostly used with the data structures, and data structures is something that we are going to learn in next section. So just having introduction of for loop in this section and using comprehensively for loop in next section, that is the plan, right? So let's get started with while loop.